When the G is third to the right of E, means what? Third place to the right of something, one of these blanks needs to be free. So if you place E over here, then the third place is 1, 2 and 3, then it is free. So you can place it this way, E over here, then 1, 2 and 3, now G. So only one place remains then, that is H. So you got the positions. So the question is, who is immediate on the immediate right of A? This is A and his right is E, right? This is his left, this is his right. So E is to the right of A. If first half of the English alphabet is reversed and then next portion of the English alphabet is reversed so as A takes the position of M, N takes the position of Z, then which letter will be shifted, will be 6th to the left of 17th letter to the right of 7th letter from the left. Why do they give this so confusing here? Its life is simple. Okay, let's solve it. Okay, that was joke. Okay, ABCD first half is reversed and second half is reversed. So here first half means up to M. Okay, and from N second half starts because there are 26 alphabets divided 13 13. Okay, so we'll reverse them, A B C D up to M and then N O P Q R X Y Z up to this. So Z becomes next to A. Okay, now what do we want? Here we want 6th to the left of 17th to the right of 7th from the left. Okay, these words are confusing. Always start from the right hand side. So 7th from the right. So first put 7th from the right. Okay, then what? 17th to the right means 17th again to the right of this. So 17 over here. 6th to the left. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.